In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Firstly, open Settings and tap on Connection and Sharing under Bluetooth. Now select Printing. Tap on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this blue switcher. Then go back and tap on Add Service over here. Now install the best one for you, and when it's ready, click on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!